Hey viewers, welcome back to our channel. Today, we're exploring a concept that plays a significant role in overall health and well-being. Let's break down this term to better understand its pronunciation. We may pronounce it as sexual wellness. Sexual wellness. Wellness. Sexual wellness. It refers to a holistic approach that encompasses physical, emotional, mental, and social aspects of sexual health, aiming for a fulfilling and positive sexual experience. Isn't it fascinating how breaking down a term can make it clearer? If you enjoyed learning about sexual wellness, be sure to subscribe to our channel for more educational content. Thanks for watching. Remember, knowledge is power. See you next time.